Have you ever wondered how your body gets the oxygen it needs? Well, introducing the respiratory system. It is basically the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The respiratory system begins with the nose and nasal cavity. The nose filters, warms, and moistens the air we breathe. The nasal cavity is lined with tiny hairs called cilia and mucus secreting cells which trap and remove particles from the air. The pharynx is located at the back of the throat. It serves as a passageway for both air and food. The larynx is commonly known as the voice box. It is located at the top of trachea. It contains the vocal cords which vibrates to produce sound when air passes through. The air moves further down to trachea, a tube made of cartilage rings that connects larynx to the bronchi. The trachea is commonly named as a windpipe. It acts as a protective passageway for air, preventing it to collapse. The trachea then divides into main branches called bronchi, one leading to each lung. The bronchi further divides into smaller tubes called bronchioles. The bronchioles continue branching into even smaller tubes within the lungs. At the end of the bronchioles are clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. So I'll simplify the gas exchange for you. So basically, alveoli is where the actual gas exchange occurs. The walls of the alveoli are thin and surrounded by a dense network of tiny blood vessels called the capillaries. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses across the alveoli walls and enters the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, moves from the bloodstream into the alveoli to be exhaled. So breathing is facilitated by this dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs, and it is called a diaphragm. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, while the intercostal muscle expands the rib cage, increasing the lung volume and drawing air into the lungs. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and the intercostal muscle relaxes, causing the lungs to deflate and air to be expelled. Okay, so this is the end of the epic discussion about the respiratory system. For listening, hopefully that you could understand. If you need more resources, the QR codes are flashing on the screen. Here's the notes in the left side and the flashcards in the right side.